Want to break into the real estate industry but don't have deep pockets? Here are 10 AI-powered real estate business ideas you can start for under $1,000, even if you don't have a real estate license. Number 1. AI Property Listing Optimizer. Use ChatGPT and image-enhancing tools like Remini or Canva AI to rewrite property descriptions, generate engaging headlines, and enhance listing photos. Offer it as a service to realtors who want their listings to stand out online. Number 2. Virtual Staging with AI. Use tools like StillDot or Interior AI to virtually stage empty rooms. Upload property photos, generate fully furnished versions, and sell the service to agents looking to boost listing appeal without spending on physical staging. Number 3. Lead Qualification Bot. Build a chatbot using tools like BotPress or ManyChat trained on FAQs and embed it on agents' websites to pre-qualify leads. It works 24/7 and helps filter serious buyers from window shoppers. Number 4. AI-powered market reports. Pull data from public real estate databases, plug it into ChatGPT, and create easy-to-read neighborhood market reports. Realtors and buyers love these, especially in competitive markets. Real quick, if you want to turn any of these ideas into a real business, you need a professional setup. That's where EngineShark.com comes in. From business registration to building your AI-powered website, logo design, branding, even writing your copy, EngineShark helps you launch your business with zero tech skills. You can even automate your marketing, get a business email, and apply for grants, all from one dashboard. Launch smarter. Check out EngineShark.com. The link's in the description. Number 5. Personalized property alerts. Build a subscription-based email or SMS alert system using AI that recommends properties based on user preferences, not just filters. Add personality and context to make it more engaging than standard MLS alerts. Number 6. AI real estate video scripts. Offer script writing for real estate walkthroughs using AI. Realtors often need help sounding confident and informative on camera. You can also bundle in voiceovers with tools like 11 Labs. Number 7. Investment Property Finder. Use free public data and ChatGPT to identify and highlight promising rental or flip opportunities in a city. Then sell these lists to beginner investors. Number 8. Local SEO optimization for agents. Use AI tools to generate Google Business Profile content, review replies, blogs, and citations. Offer monthly packages to realtors looking to rank higher locally. Number 9. AI Rental Income Calculator. Use spreadsheet tools and ChatGPT to create a branded rental income estimation tool for landlords or Airbnb hosts. Offer this as a lead gen tool to real estate professionals. Number 10. ChatGPT-powered real estate blog service. Start a blog content writing service for realtors. Offer SEO-optimized, localized articles that drive organic traffic to their websites, all generated and edited with AI. These real estate business ideas are low-cost, AI-driven, and high-value. Which one would you start first? Like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. And check out EngineShark.com if you're serious about launching your business today.